Hello, I'm Andrew Ditton and I'm with Dougal. We're at Cadwell Park Circuit. We're here to watch the British Superbikes. Autotrail have bought their fabulous Tracker LB motorhome, and the reason that they're here is because they're sponsoring the Tyco BMW team. We're going to have a walk around the park, have a chat to some race goers, see what they think about the Tracker LB, and hopefully inspire you to go off and have some great new experiences with your motorhome. So I brought you trackside to see some of the action, and as you can see there are a lot of people here all enjoying the racing. Great atmosphere, and then as you can maybe see behind me, caravans, tents, motorhomes, and you can start to appreciate that camping, caravanning and motorhoming is the absolute backbone of the motorsport industry. Anyway, let's go and chat to some of the other people who are staying here this weekend. I'm here with Jeff, Mandy and Nathan. Jeff and Mandy have got an Autotrail, so we'd like to talk a little bit about that. How long have you had your Autotrail?
7 months.
7 months,
yes.
So new to you. And what do you think of it?
We absolutely love it.
Brilliant. So do you come to events like BSB often?
Yeah, we come every year. This is our 15th year here. We started out in a little two-man tent and over 15 years progressed to the Autotrail.
Anyway, it's no secret to anyone by what you chaps are wearing that you are supporters of Tyco. What do you think of Tyco being supported by Autotrail?
Great sponsorship, yeah.
Great sponsorship, and yeah, we're looking forward to the racing with Chris Hidden and hoping that he gets up there.
Fantastic. So Christian, you're part of the Tyco BMW team, yeah? How did today go?
Yeah, today's been pretty good because we haven't tested here and a lot of other people have tested, so today was quite good. It's a place where the rider can make a big difference around here, so I tried to do as many laps as I could and I learned a few things.
Fantastic. And you're staying in an Autotrail, aren't you?
Yeah, I really am, yeah. Normally I stop in the caravan with my dad, so until this year when I got the Autotrail, that was the normal thing, so it's always a bit cramped, and now it's absolute luxury. I like to be able to stay on the site. I always walk the track first thing in the morning, last thing at night. So it gives me an ability to be at the track those times when I need to be, and it gives me a nice space to just sit there and relax. It's a warm, comfy space, and make yourself a brew in the evening. Watch a bit of the TV.
Fantastic. Well, thanks very much for talking to us, and good luck with the rest of the racing.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Thank you. Here we are. It's your regular Fiat Ducato cab, 6-speed manual gearbox. So basically, that means when you're cruising down the motorway, you can put it in 6th gear and it's nice and relaxed. Moving into the lounge area, this is primarily a 2-berth motorhome. So this is really more for socialising and relaxing. Now, first of all, great little drop-down TV here. Tons of storage, but obviously the great thing about the lounge during the daytime is this huge skylight letting all the daylight in, so it makes it a nice, bright, airy space. At night time, spotlights all around and LED strips, but I think my favourite touch, which is not rocket science, but so many manufacturers don't think about this, is this sliding window. So you slide the window, you still get ventilation, but if you open the door, you're not going to bash the window, you're not going to break it. Moving on to the kitchen, don't be fooled by its compact dimensions. It's got absolutely everything from full-size cooker, separate grill oven, dual fuel. It's got a domestic size sink and draining board and some extra workspace on there. Great storage under here. One of my favourite touches about this motorhome has got to be a little cupboard here to put the turntable from the microwave when you're travelling. And finally, a great tall Thetford fridge freezer. So it really has got absolutely everything. So all in all, I just think this is a fantastic little kitchen. Moving on now to the bedroom. Great comfortable double bed. Dougal is certainly giving it a good workout. One brilliant touch, great Heki roof light over the bed. It does have a blackout blind for night time, but if you want to look at the stars, you can. And then on this side of the motorhome, super cylindrical shower compartment, little towel rail here and somewhere to stand your shower gel and your soaps. Really everything you need. Finally, the door, which separates off this area from the rest of the motorhome. Absolutely terrific. Finally, a quick look at the outside of the Tracker LB, and as you can see, a very smart looking van, and it's not too big, so it's not too imposing and not too scary to drive around those country lanes. All in all, it really does make for a fantastic motorhome for a couple to come to events like BSB, or just to go touring, extended tours around this beautiful country or around Europe, and you have everything on board, all mod cons. It really is great for experiencing new adventures. I've really enjoyed my time staying in the Tracker LB, and I'm having a fantastic time here at BSB. As you can hear, they're now warming up on the track, so I think it's about time I went and enjoyed some racing.